Russian President Vladimir Putin sought to justify his war in Ukraine as legal under international law at his flagship economic forum on Friday. Sitting beside him on the stage, a key ally diplomatically disagreed. After Putin argued he was protecting Russian speakers in the self-declared Donetsk and Luhansk People's Republics of eastern Ukraine, which Russia had recognized as independent days before the invasion, moderator Margarita Simonyan, head of the Kremlin-funded RT TV, pressed Kazakh President Kassym-Jomart Tokayev on whether he supported Russia's view. He didn't. Kazakhstan doesn't recognize quasi-state territories which, in our view, is what Luhansk and Donetsk are, Tokayev said. There'd be chaos in the world if hundreds of new countries emerged, even as there is a conflict between the legal principles of territorial integrity of states and the right of people living in them to self-determination, he said. Tokayev's dissent at the plenary session of the St. Petersburg International Economic Forum was a rare discordant note for the Kremlin, which sought to show that Russia is successfully defying US and European sanctions aimed at isolating Putin. It was all the more noteworthy because Putin sent troops to Kazakhstan in January at Tokayev's request to help crush what he called an attempted coup. Russia and Kazakhstan are also members of the Eurasian Economic Union, a Moscow-led rival to the European Union. The authorities are stabilizing the economy step by step, and the West's economic blitzkrieg against Russia had no chance of success, Putin told the audience composed largely of Russian officials and business leaders. He cited U.S. author Mark Twain to describe Russia's economic resilience, saying that reports of my death are greatly exaggerated. Europe stands to lose more than $400 billion this year as a result of sanctions imposed on Russian imports that have fueled increases in energy costs, he said, without elaborating. He denied responsibility for what he said some were calling Putin's inflation, blaming the global surge in prices on US and European policies.